Malai Paneer. Subscribe to my channel and click the bell to be the first to see my latest video. Heat 2 tablespoons oil in a pan. Add 1 finely chopped onion and saute till the onion turns golden. Add 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste and saute till the raw smell of the ginger garlic goes away. Add 1 teaspoon coriander powder, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric and half teaspoon Kashmiri red chili powder. Mix well. Now add 250 grams paneer, cut in large cubes. Stir gently. Let the masala coat all the paneer cubes. Add salt and mix well. Now add half cup cream. Stir gently. Now add half teaspoon dry fenugreek powder or kasuri methi, 1/4 teaspoon garam masala and mix well. Now add 2 tablespoons finely chopped coriander. Stir gently. Malai paneer is ready to be served. Subscribe to my channel Jim Jen Kitchen. Click the bell, like, share and leave your feedback in the comment section below. Thank you.